Okay, today class, we're working with SPSS with a question that looks at and talks about multiple response sets. And that primarily happens when you have a question, but you want people to check more than one answer, not just a singular multiple choice response, but multiple ones. So once you've set it up in the data file, um, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional variables, or shall we say possible responses. So then we're looking at what the respondent selected. Now, this is not necessarily the best or the easiest way to do this. It probably would have been a little bit easier to pull it in an Excel file. But this, as I read through here, it shows that they had a pedagogical interest and a colleague suggestion. Okay, so since this first column is teaching quandary, so we're going to put no, because that wasn't what they said. Research interest, no, because they didn't say that's what it was, but we'll put a 1 for pedagogical, and a 1, which means yes, for a colleague recommended, and a 2, a no, because they didn't mention anything about community. Okay, so this particular response, it says research interest and pedagogical, and let's just scroll down. Like I said, this is not the best way to look at your respondents' response sets, but it will do for the time being. So pedagogical interest, and I believe it said research interest. Oh, and there's another one. Figure out a solution. Teaching quandary. Okay, so for this person, we're going to put 1 for yes. It was a teaching quandary. 1 for they had a research interest, and 2 for no, there wasn't anything pedagogical about it, and a colleague suggested yes, and a sense of community, no. So that's all there is to it, to entering your variables or your multiple response sets. And this video is one of a few others that talks about doing multiple response sets. Oh, now here's one where normally we select required by the university. Okay, that was the other. So for here, we're going to do 8, which is how we identify other. So we'll know that the respondent selected something else, and we can deal with that variable later. So let me stop for now. That might be a bit much, and then you can come back and watch the remaining videos later. Thank you for watching.